Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today I'm bringing you issue 77 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so this one is a little late. That's not because it went in my newsagents late. I was late picking this one up. I've been so busy at work the last few days that I just haven't had time to go and pick it up. So I've got it now, so let me show you what we get in this one. So as you can see in this one, we get the part for the elbow joint, which we don't think we're using this one, and we're also going to be assembling our first finger for this hand. So let's open it up. See, we get the pins with the sleeves in this one down there. Right, so let me move that to the side. So what we're going to be doing is assembling the finger basically. So this is the way we need to line them up. And we're going to be adding the parts with the pins and the sleeves, and then gluing this side on the other side. So that's the way you would do it. And yep, then you should end up with basically a finger that looks like that. But I'm not going to do it that way. That's because my hand on the right hand side has these fitted, which is the modelmodz replacement finger joint. So I'm going to straight fit these into there. I'm not going to use these pins with sleeves, so I'm going to install it in there. If you do want to see how to install it with these sleeves and everything, I'll put a link to a video where I did that in the past. So yeah, we're going to be using these today. So yeah, you are going to also need a bit of glue today, so make sure you've got a bit of glue and use your tray or something to put the glue in. So yeah, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so first thing out of the packaging is this part here. We're not going to use this part in this issue itself. We still need to get the little black pieces to go on this side, and we need the other side to go in here. So we're going to set this aside for now, and we're going to come back to this in a future issue. Another thing I'm not going to use is these. So we've got the pins, the smaller pins there. So I'm not going to use them, so I'm going to set them to the side. And also these, the pins with the sleeves. But I am going to need the fingertip that's in there. So I'm just going to cut that out and take that part out. Like I said, I will put a link in the description below if you do want to go and watch a video where I did use these pins and sleeves. But I have since removed them all and gone to the modelmodz one, which I would highly recommend. Right, okay, so now we're moving on to actually assembling the finger itself. So from left to right, this is the way we're going to assemble it, just like this, until we get to the fingertip at the end. So we are going to need 3 of these from the modelmodz packet, 6 washers, and you're also going to need 6 of these little Allen key screws and your Allen key as well. Okay, you are going to need a little knob of glue in this one. I've already put some in this tray just here. So what I'm going to need for this is I'm just going to put a little dab of glue just inside this side of the thread of the modelmodz fingers. So just in here. Only on one side though. And then we can take one of these and we're going to pre-install these in. So we can start screwing these in. There we go. So I'm going to want that pretty much all the way down. So let's do a test fit. So let's go slide through there, 2 washers. Yeah, so we can come out a little bit on that one. Right about there. Grab 2 washers. So we can slide that in, just into there. 2 washers over the top. That's going to be in the centre. So let's get them on. That's number 1. Which doesn't want to fit on. Number 1 and number 2 now. There we are. Now we can take this end, and this is going to slide into there. We've got 2 different ends on here, so we need to be careful which one we use. We've got the round part here, or the sort of like oval shape with the wings on there. We don't want that end, we want the round end, because this part connects to the knuckle. So just like that. And we can take another screw, that's just going to sit on top of there, and we can take our Allen key and we can secure this one down. Just like that. That's that one in place, just like that. So following the same process, we're going to put a little dollop of glue just inside here. Again, take our screw and start threading that onto there. Like that again. 2 more washers. So I'm going to go from this side, slide that through into there. Take the first washer, I'm going to put that over the top, just like so, and the second one on top of that one as well, just like that. Now we can take the next part, slide that over the top, take another one of these screws, and that's going to screw into that one there. So just drop that onto there, and I'm going to grab my Allen key. And start screwing this one down. Just like that. So then that's the second one on. And now the very last one is where we're going to attach the fingertip onto there. So just like before, I've attached a bit of glue with one of these screws already in there. Going to drop that into there. And on the back side, we're going to have 2 washers again. 1 and 2. And we can put the opposite side on now. So now we need another screw. That's going to go straight down into there. Grab your Allen key. And tighten this one up as well. There we go. We've got our full finger assembled, still with articulation, but it's a lot more rigid and it doesn't wobble about. So now the only thing left to do is attach the fingertips. So we can take a bit of glue, and I'm just going to rub it all the way around the edge here. Just on there. And I'm also going to put a little dollop just inside here of the actual fingertip itself. So all the way down. Just like so. Now we can drop this on. This is oval, so you can only put it on one way. If it doesn't fit on, you're putting it on the wrong way. So there we are. And that is our first finger for the left hand complete. So what I didn't show you was coming up next time. So next time we get the parts to assemble the left hand and arm joint. So these parts here are going to be for the side of the elbow detail, just there. This one here is to go on the outside of the shoulder, and we also get a ratchet joint, and we also get the left palm as well, so we might be attaching our finger in the next issue. There you go, guys, that's issue 77 all complete. That one was nice and easy, doing a finger. We've done it 5 times before already, so we knew what we were doing. Yeah, so coming up tomorrow, we're also going to have probably some more Build the Terminator tomorrow when we've got issue 78. We also, to finish the week, we're going to have issue 54 of Build the DeLorean. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.